Okay guys, so today, if you don't know, if you are new to my channel, and you haven't seen my past Big Word videos, this is a little Q&A, so yeah, let's get Big Bird out here. Hello, Gash Panda Squad. It's not Gash Panda anymore, it's Wolf Girl, okay? Hello, Big Words person. What? Okay, first question. Big Bird, what's your favorite color? What? Yellow. Okay, I can see that. Next question. Big Bird, are you a girl? Do I look like a girl? Yeah. Why? Because you have eyeshadow. Okay. No. Okay. Next question. What is your favorite food? Worms. Okay. How tall are you? About 1 foot. Why? You're short. What height are you? 4'3". Okay, next question. What's your favorite book? Wow. Okay. Did you even read it? Yeah. Okay, what's it about? Titanic. Who's the main character? The doggy. What's the doggy's name? I don't know. You didn't read the book. Who this guy? Who this guy? Who this guy? I don't know. Wow, okay. Next question. Do you have a girlfriend? Who is it? No. Duh. Okay. Next question. What's your favorite animal? Bird. Okay, next question. Why do you have this ankle bracelet? Oh, that's nothing. It's nothing. It's nothing. It's nothing. It's nothing. It's nothing. It's nothing. Is this the bracelet my friend made me? Maybe. Really? Okay. Okay, Big Bird, next question. What is your favorite little pet? What do you mean little pet? Like your hamster? Yeah. Mouse. Hi, Mocha. Mocha? Yes, I like Mocha. He's cool. Also, if you haven't noticed, Big Bird's not French anymore because he took English classes so you guys could understand him. So, yeah, he's not French anymore. Yes, I tried to control it. Okay, anyway. He's gone. He's just burrowing. It's fine. Oh, okay. Anyways. So, Big Bird. Who's your favorite person in this house? Me? Why? Because you let me on your channel and your brother abandoned me. I know that. I found you in the basement. Oh, I know, it's tough down there. This scary little bottle. What the heck? Okay. Next question. Yeah. Have you ever been with your girlfriend and looked at another girl but not like, ooh? No. Nice. Okay. What's your favorite sport? I don't know. I don't think I have like soccer, baseball, basketball. Knockout's basically basketball. Tennis, softball. No. Oh. Actually, I like basketball cause I get the ball. Okay. Say this is the ball, and I go wee. Okay. Next question. Do you like slime? Ew, no, it sounds so weird and ew. Okay. How do you rate yourself? On what? Cuteness. Obviously 10, because I have a girlfriend and I used to be on a TV show. Elmo is creepy. That's all I have to say. What is that thing? Holding the camera up. That's my rest pillow. Oh, okay. Anyway, next question, please. What's your favorite kind of candy? What's your candy? Well, my dog ate almost all of it, and then there's only like 2 pieces left, so I ate those already. Then it'd have to be once. Everybody's too. Anyways, next question. I don't think anybody's asked in their whole entire life before. How did you get a girlfriend? I don't know. She appeared out of nowhere, ran up to me, kissed me. Ran up to me. Okay, okay. Seriously, where did you find this? I was missing it for such a long time. Okay, you might not want to know this, but I found it in your drawer. What are you doing in my drawers? Your hamster was missing, and I was looking for him. He was in your drawer, chewing on your clothes, as always. And I maybe sorta found your bracelet. What drawer were you in? I'll show you. What? Oh, I still have some little bit of Easter candy left. Let me have a piece of chocolate real quick, guys. Once I had breakfast, it was a toaster strudel. You're sleeping. What's your favorite type of toy? Well, aren't I a toy? I'm a puppet, after all. You're not a puppet! You just think that because my hand's stuck in you. Well, look. Oh my god. Okay, next question.
Yeah, it's all over the floor.
It
Get
is?
picked up. Yeah.
Oi!
Over here too.
Oi!
Oh,
Anyway, out of all these sunglasses, well, he dies when I don't have my hand on him. Okay. Out of all these, which is your favorite sunglasses? Okay, then I'll put them on you. Okay. It's right here. Even though you're dead right now. When he's dead, he forgets 2 seconds ago. So. Okay, why am I looking like that? Why can I not see? Ooh! 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 What about these? Put these on. And no, we're not gonna make you die. Oh, you look like a nerd. Okay, how about these? Like, weird. Okay, how about these? Ooh. Okay, I guess we'll just have to skip that. What do you think of mocha? I don't know. Anyway, next question. This is the last question, by the way. Let's make it count. What's your favorite season? I mean, month. Is it May? Why? Because tomorrow's my birthday. Ooh, it is? Ooh. Okay, guys, so tomorrow's Big Bird's birthday. So in the comment section, how about we give him a little happy birthday, okay? Big Bird, what do you want them to do in the comment section? How about, since we usually get comments, how about you guys comment down below what we should do on my birthday? Okay, good job, good idea. Alrighty guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Where's this button? Oh, it's right there.